Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to change SmartArt colors to the gradient loop style in Word to make your diagrams more colorful, modern and professional. Gradient SmartArt style are perfect for presentations, flowcharts, business reports, educational projects and eye-catching documents design. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I want to change the color of the SmartArt. At first insert the SmartArt. Go down and go to the insert menu. Click the SmartArt option. Then choose any SmartArt. Now I am select this. Then click OK. Then select the SmartArt and we can see here alternative color. Now I am go to the format menu. We can see here another option and here the design menu, here the color. Now we can see here many color. Now I am select the gradient loop, find and select the gradient loop. Here the recolor option, you can recolor it. Now I am select the gradient loop color. Here many style, you can add any style to this style menu. Now we can see we add the gradient loop color in SmartArt very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.